So in the beginning,
ஆதியிலே
he selected a person
ஒரு ஆளை தெரிந்து கொண்டு
ఒక అతను ఎన్నుకొని
and all the people whom he wanted to create,
సృష్టికి విరుమైన ఎల్లవரையும்
సృష్టించాలనుకున్న
In the thought.
వారిని
சிந்தனையிலே
he can't create them by because he has no hands and no mouth to speak or anything like that. So he had to become a bird. He had to become a bird.
వాక్యం
அப்ப வார்த்தை என்ன? ஓங்காரம்ங்கிறாங்க.
ఓంకారం అంటున్నాడు.
அது அர்த்தம் என்ன? I am that I am. அதான்
இருக்கிறேன்
இந்த பைபிள் இருக்கு. I am that I am. இருக்கிறவா இருக்கிறேன். நான் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படித்தான் இருக்கு.
அப்படியே இருக்கிறேன்
ఉన్నవాడిని
ஏன்? இந்த ஆள் நான் சொல்ல முடியாது. Because I am everywhere.
எங்க இருக்கிறேன்
ఎక్కడైనా
I am a பரமாத்மா.
பரமாத்மா
పరమాత్మని
பரமாத்மன்னு அர்த்தம் என்ன? பரம புருஷன் ஆத்மா தான் பரமாத்மா.
పరమ పురుషుడే ఆత్మే పరమాత్మ
இது தெரியாம பரம புருஷன் இல்லாம ஆத்மா இருந்து வந்து
తెలుసుకుంటే పరమ పురుషుడు లేకుండా ఆత్మనే వస్తుంది.
பரம புருஷனை வெட்டியாச்சு ஆத்மா வச்சுக்கிட்டாங்க.
ఆ పరమ పురుషుని తీసేసి అతను
அப்பந்தான் யார் உள்ள இறங்க முடியும்?
అప్పుడే ఎవరు దిగి రావచ్చు?
லூசியர் பகவான் இறங்க முடியும்.
లూసిఫర్ భగవానుడు
அவன் என்ன செய்யறான்?
ఆయన ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు?
அந்த உள்ள வந்து இறங்குறதுக்கு பெர்மிஷன் கேட்டு தான் வரணும்.
పర్మిషన్ తీసుకొని రావాల్సినది.
So he can't come because that is he had to come into the group of people. So he had to get permission. Sir, that man is worshipping not you but the Shakti.
இந்த மனுஷன் சக்தியை வணங்குறான்
So I have a right to come in because
உள்ளே போய் அனுமதி இருக்கிறது
లోపలనే శక్తి వచ్చినది.
I am also one of the Shaktis.
நான் சக்தியிலே ஒருவன்
నేను శక్తిలో ఒకడిని.
So he is allowed.